This quarter has been certainly the most extreme quarter when it comes to comparing with the previous year because of the antigen volume, which was in the quarter before about 600 million euros. We will see a little bit of that effect also in the next 2 quarters, but I think let's say the biggest impact is behind us. But I want to pick up what you just said. I mean, I'm super happy about where the underlying business is going. We saw, taking the COVID tests out of the equation, 11% growth, which is a super remarkable number and a great job of the team. We confirm our fiscal year outlook, and on top of that, great revenue growth, which was especially driven by about 20% equipment growth. We still were able to have more orders than revenue. So a book-to-bill of above 1, which means that our order backlog is even stronger than before that very strong quarter.
I remember when we saw you for the first quarter, there seemed to be good momentum developing in the imaging and the advanced therapies businesses. Specifically, can you just give us a bit more flesh on the bone as to how you see the outlook for those particular units going forward?
So I'm very, very positive for both businesses. I mean, we see on the top line, we will see similar growth for the remainder of the year, which is also why we are confirming the outlook. But on the other hand, we will see on the bottom line the improved pricing kicking in. We had a little bit, as you may know, a topic of slightly depressed margins over a time because we have typically a book-to-bill cycle of 6 to 12 months, which means that improved pricing doesn't have an impact immediately. We see now the orders with better pricing turning into revenue in the quarters to come. So we will see not only very positive top-line growth, but also margin expansion.
Ben, I want to get into Varian. This was a business you brought to be a growth driver for the business. You had supply chain issues. There's an intelligent cancer care system. But now if we look at the numbers, we can see a very strong lift off, 27% bounce, revenue of close to €1 billion. What's the level of growth that seems normal? Because this could just be a bounce back after some of those initial issues, right?
Yeah. So, I mean, first of all, I really am super proud of the Varian team and how they made up for the supply chain issues, which were caused by one of the suppliers and held back the revenue line a bit in Q4 and Q1. I mean, 27% growth is very, very remarkable. I mean, when you look into this and double click on it, it means even more than 40% equipment growth, meaning deliveries of mainly linear accelerators for radiation therapy. The normalized growth is which we target with Varian since the acquisition, because of that very convincing case, the revenue synergies, the power of the combination is 9 to 12% for the years to come.